Hello everyone, this is Eve with the Yong Real Estate Group at HomeSmart. Today I want to give you a quick and simple update on the Texas real estate market in June 2026. What is happening, what buyers need to know, what sellers need to know, and where the opportunities are right now. The first thing to understand is this: the Texas real estate market has changed. We are no longer in the crazy market where every home gets multiple offers in 2 days and buyers feel forced to overpay. But we are also not in a market crash. What we are seeing now is a more balanced and more strategic market. For buyers, that means more choices, more time to compare homes, and more room to negotiate. For sellers, it means pricing, preparation, and marketing matter much more than before. In many parts of Texas, inventory has increased. That means there are more homes available for buyers to choose from. This is good news for buyers because they do not have to feel as rushed as they did a few years ago. But for sellers, more inventory also means more competition. Your home has to stand out. The photos, the condition, the price, the presentation, and the marketing strategy all matter. One of the biggest challenges in today's market is still affordability. Even though home prices have softened in some areas, mortgage rates are still higher than many buyers would like. So buyers are not just looking at the price of the home, they are looking at the full monthly payment, mortgage, taxes, insurance, HOA fees, and maintenance. That is why buyers are being more careful. They are comparing homes. They are asking for repairs. They are asking for closing cost assistance. In some cases, they are asking sellers to help with rate buy-downs. And honestly, this creates real opportunities. If you're a serious buyer and you are already pre-approved, this may be a good time to shop. You may have more negotiating power than buyers had in previous years. You may be able to find a home that has been sitting on the market for a little while and negotiate better terms. You may be able to ask for seller concessions. You may even be able to buy a better home than you could have during the peak of the market. But buyers still need to be smart. A lower price does not always mean a better deal. You have to look at the location, the condition, the neighborhood, the resale value, the repairs needed, and the long-term potential of the property. Now, for sellers, this market requires a different approach. You cannot simply put a home on the market at any price and expect buyers to rush in. Buyers today are educated. They are comparing your home with other homes. They are watching price reductions. They are looking at condition very closely. So if you are planning to sell, the most important thing is to price your home correctly from the beginning. Overpricing can hurt you. When a home sits too long, buyers may start wondering what is wrong with it. Then you may end up reducing the price later, and sometimes that can create a weaker position for the seller. A strong first impression is very important. That means professional photos, clean presentation, good curb appeal, proper staging, strong online exposure, and a serious marketing plan. The good news is that sellers can still do very well in this market. Texas continues to attract people because of jobs, business opportunities, lifestyle, family, and long-term growth. Well-priced homes in good condition are still selling. The difference is that sellers now have to be more realistic and more strategic. So what does all of this mean? For buyers, this is a market where preparation can give you an advantage. Get pre-approved, know your budget, understand your monthly payment. Be patient, but be ready to move when the right property appears. For sellers, this is a market where strategy matters. Price correctly, prepare the home, market it professionally, and understand what buyers are looking for. The Texas market in June 2026 is not bad. It is just different. It is more balanced. It is more selective. and it rewards people who are prepared. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, relocating, or just trying to understand your options, the key is to look at the local numbers, not just national headlines. Every city, every neighborhood, and every price range is different. So before you make a move, make sure you have the right data and the right strategy. If you are thinking about buying or selling a home in Texas, I would be happy to help you understand your local market and create a plan that fits your goals. Again, this is Yves with the Yong Real Estate Group at HomeSmart. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next market update.